Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got some cases to review for our Galaxy Z Fold 5, so let's dive right in and take a look. Okay, so we've got our Galaxy Z Fold 5. I've been looking at some cases and trying out different cases. And I've got a few here to show you, and let me know what your thoughts are. So first we've got the original Samsung. This is the Samsung Slim case with the S Pen. This is the new S Pen for the Z Fold 5. It is a hard plastic case. So let's go ahead and pop it on. I've used this one a few times. I do have a skin on my phone right now. This is one of the D brand leather skins. But these are real easy. You just pop them right on there. No issues there. They pop right on, fit real nice. And then with our cover, we'll go ahead and pop that on. Now, I'm not using the adhesive right now, mainly because I switch cases out, but they do come with adhesive. So this is the Samsung case, easy access to the Slim S Pen here, as you can see. So if you desire using the S Pen, I would recommend this case. It's very slim. It does have some protection. And best of all, you can have your S Pen with you at all times. Hopefully Samsung with the Z Fold 6 will put the S Pen inside like they did with the S23 Ultra. Opening up this case, let's go ahead and just unlock that. Looking around the case, we can see all the cutouts for our speakers and our microphones. Around the edge here, there is a full cutout, so fingerprint sensor is easily accessible. That opens up just like that. There is no type of kickstand or anything like that. It does have a nice soft feel. There's not a whole lot of grip, so I don't know if this would be a really protective case. There is no protection along the hinge, so if you're looking for something like that, there are some other cases that are much more protective, and they also have storage for the S Pen, but I'm not reviewing any of those right now. Overall, I do like this case. Okay, and so that's the Samsung official case with the Slim S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So we'll go ahead and take this one off, and we'll go ahead and pop on the next one. As I said before, the cases are very easy to pop on and off, so you shouldn't have any problem installing those. The next case we have here, which is the one that I've been using lately, is the later case. This is a very slimline case. I really like the carbon fiber design to it, and it's a very minimalistic case. So if you're looking for something very minimal and lightweight, it doesn't add any bulk that I can see to the phone itself. It does have some little bit of protection, not a whole lot of protection. There is no S Pen storage on this, but it does have the right cutouts for the fingerprint sensor. Also has your cutouts on the top for your speaker and microphones, as well as around the bottom. There's cutouts for the microphones, the USB charging port, and the speaker as well. This is a great case. Like I said, this is the one that I've been using lately. So I've actually got the later case box here. This is the box that you get. It's got a little magnetic flip when you open it up. And then when you pull on the tab, that brings out the case, and the case will be found here on this nice little cushion. I don't believe there's anything else in there. You'll have the information there. Solid, very good presentation. There is no extra adhesive strips. Some of the other cases have come with that. This one does not. But this is a really good case. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something that's minimalistic. It does say it's 0.6 millimeters thick, so it's ultra thin. It weighs 10 grams. It does have some texture, and it is stronger than steel. So it says it's 5 times stronger than steel using that Kevlar coating on there. Okay, so that is the later case. Hopefully the camera's picking up the design there. Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see. There we go. That is a beautiful case right there. You can see the Kevlar all the way around. There is no protection on the hinge, but there is you have your cover screen. Like I said, easy cutouts for the fingerprint sensor, and overall a really good case. Very minimalistic, like I said, lightweight, and doesn't add any bulk to the phone. Okay, next up, I've got a case from Torz. So this is a case company I've worked with in the past. This is the box that it comes with. It has some information on here. They are out of, I believe, China. But we'll go ahead and take a look at their case. So this is the Torz case. This is definitely a protective case. It also has a MagSafe ring on it, so you can use MagSafe accessories. So if we go ahead and pop this on here, and that goes on nice and tight on there. There is protection, so you can see that there is definitely some protection on this case. This is probably one of the most protective cases that I have. Front piece goes on just like that. There is a cutout here, and this is designed to fit either S Pen. So if you have the slim S Pen, which we have here, go ahead and pop that out. And there is a cutout you get that to focus there. So there is a cutout here for the S Pen, for the small S Pen. So you can see that this fits right in there, and then you have your S Pen. It also has, if we pull that S Pen out, it's a little bit, oops, it sticks in there, so it's not going anywhere. It has an insert. So in my previous video, I'll leave a link up at the top here. This has an insert that actually comes out. So if you get your fingernail under there, you can actually pop out this insert. And if you have the older style S Pen from, say, your Z Fold 4, which I have one right here. As you can see, the S Pen on the Z Fold 4 was much thicker and larger. But this S Pen, if you have the older S Pen, also fits right into this Torz case. So that's really nice that you can continue using the same S Pen you had from your Z Fold 4 on this new case, which is designed for the Z Fold 5. Cutouts around for the fingerprint sensor works just fine. As you can see, that opens up just fine there. Looking around the top, we have our cutouts for the speaker and the microphone at the top. At the bottom, we have our speaker and our cutout for our USB-C and microphone port. Around the top, we have the cutout for the camera, and I'm going to get that to focus there. As you can see, there is a lip that goes all the way around the camera module to protect it. So that's really good protection for your Z Fold 5, especially because these devices are so expensive. So let me show you the MagSafe capabilities on this case as well. So first of all, I've got a MagSafe stand. This is a stand that just drops right on there, and you can have a kickstand. This does rotate 360 degrees. so you can use it in portrait or landscape. So this is great. This just pops right off there. And let's see what else. Let's see what else I have MagSafe here. Okay, so I got a couple other MagSafe devices. I've got a power bank. This is the power bank by Anchor. So this has the MagSafe on the back. This also has a little magnetic kickstand. So you can actually use this while the phone is charging, which is really cool. So we just pop that right on to the back here. And as you can see, we have our MagSafe power bank. And there we go. And the wireless charging. And as you can see, we've got that going there. All right, next step, I've got another device here. This is a mobile tripod that uses MagSafe capabilities as well. So we'll just go ahead and pop that right on here. Oops, put it on the right way. There we go. Oops. Okay, so we've got our little mobile tripod on there, and that works just fine. Go ahead and open up that tripod, and there we go. So as you can see, the Torz case is a great option, especially if you want to have capability of using different MagSafe accessories. I highly recommend this case as well. It's very durable, and once again, it does store both the old S Pen and the newer style S Pen. Just pop that little insert right in there. And there we go. And you've got your S Pen on the go. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so you'll be updated when new videos are uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.